Hey, thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. So if you're on this page, you're probably looking for a docking station or something similar to this. Now, before I get started, let me just tell you that this was sent to me by the seller so I can do this review video for you. That won't impact any of my thoughts or any of what I share with you about this specific device. So what this is for, as I said, it's a docking station. So you have all these different inputs in here so they can kind of connect different devices together. So probably the main way that we've used this is on many Apple computers, they went away from the HDMI and the USB and all the different ports, and all I have is this USB-C port. Why they did that, we can debate for hours. But anyways, this little docking station is very helpful for us because I can take this USB-C port, plug it into the side of my laptop here, and now I have, I can look at it right, there we go. And now I have the flexibility to have all these other different types of ports that will work with my MacBook. So two in particular that we use the most are the HDMI. I use that for is just to plug in a second monitor. So I can have the monitor open from this one. I can plug in another one to here, and then I have two monitors going. As you see, you can do a couple different monitors if you like. You have another USB-C port here on the side if you would need that. Also, Apple got rid of, at least this generation for a while, of MacBook Pros, your slots where you can put in a photo drive, an SD card or a micro SD card. So that is included in this also. And then the other side, just a couple of different USB ports, and again, another USB 3.0 or USB-C port, how they call them. So really helpful, really flexible, because then you can connect a bunch of different devices to this. Now, my understanding is that this will work on different types of devices, not just Apple. I primarily use MacBook, but on Dell XPS or HP or Lenovo or the other types of products that are out there, this should work with that for you as well. So it's helpful, makes life a lot easier, and allows you to connect a bunch of different things together.